A heartbroken family demands justice after a tragic shooting that claimed the life of 20-year-old Themba Calvin Chauke in Themba 2 Stengvanter, north of Tshwane, on Wednesday, the 7th of January. The young man was allegedly shot dead by his 57-year-old stepdad in what the family describes as a devastating family tragedy that has left them shattered and seeking justice.
Because of bakasenzela yonke into like besekuba abantwana bami asiphethe kahle and namanje asikhona ukukhopha ngalento eyenzekile.
According to family members, the fatal incident was sparked by inappropriate sexual advances the stepdad had allegedly been making towards his 27-year-old stepdaughter, Pauline Chauke.
Uthemba makashona like nithi behleli mahleli so i-stepfather sikhuluma ngokuthi thona sithanda mina. Ungitshela ngumzimba wami ungitshela ukuthi mina nginonile kube yena uthathe mina kunomama mami ngokuthi mina nginomzimba nginonile ngikhuluphele. So masithi sithanda mina like uthemba bayengekho uthemba kangena vele ufuna ukuzwa ukuthi kwenzakalani samtshela ukuthi i-stepfather vele sithi sithanda mina umama uthela i-stepfather ngamanzi makasithela ngamanzi i-stepfather siyahamba siyendlini masiyendlini umama usilandelela ngasemuva makasilandelela ngasemuva makasemnyango i-stepfather sithatha i-breaks sithi sifuna ukubani sifuna ukushaya umama uthemba ezegijima umama makangena endlini kanti u-stepfather basekalungisile isibhamu makangena ezini vele isibhamu sisho phezukwa Themba and lesibhamu lesiya kahle kahle bokungambelanga isitubulo uThemba bokumele kube isitubulo umama.
The family claims these unwanted advances had been occurring repeatedly while the man was in a relationship with Pauline's mom.
Ungiphetha kabi ngokuthi lo baba mina bengibona kuumuntu oright mara eceleni angithi bengingamazi ukuthi kuumuntu onjani mara yomntwana yona ingiphatha kabi kakhulu. Sina 2 years manje mina zonke izinto engibonile azenza ngifuna ahlala impilo yakhe yonke ejele ngifuna ukumbona la ngaphandle ukuthi mangibambona la ngaphandle inhliziyo yami izoba buhlungu. Lo baba lo ke this month uke washo ukuthi wakhuluma ekhaya ukuthi hayi ngizofuna ukumshada lo muntu ngokuthi ngimbona kuumuntu oright kanti yena mhlambe bekafihla ubunyoka bakhe mina ngazi angifuna ukucamba mangangazi ngokuthi ngisanobuhlungu lobo ukuthi nginobuhlungu bamampela ngokuthi lo mfana kimi bekusekuubaba kuumama yonke into bese ngithembele kuye uye bekakhona ukubamba ikhaya ukuthi leli likhaya bazophila ngami labantu.
The family says they want the stepdad to receive a life sentence and are opposing any bail application.
Stepfather nje ngifuna ukuthi ahlale kancane ejele ahlale isikhathi eside ngane ejele bake bami akahlale isikhathi eside because of lento ayenzile i-wrong angeke ukuthi uthandana nomfazi ubona umfazi estradini bese uyitshela ukuthi lo mfazi wakho makusuka lapho na sowufuna abantwana bakhe and lento ngizisuka ubhlungu ukuthi nomama unabantwana abayi2 bamantombazana sho ukuthi nabo kube nambe engivumelile ngithathe ukuthi athi angithanda maybe bakhobeleni senze izinto eziphuma endleleni bakazoyenza the self kulaba abanye ukungitshela ukuthi angithanda mara ama action wakhe the most bewakhuluma like mangihleli naye bekakhuluma like ngithini ama action wakhe ngithi ayakhuluma umuntu ngibona ngama action ukuthi so maye mina lezi zinto lezi bezingigwadisa umama ngimtshela ukuthi awama phuma kulomuntu lo angafuni ukuphuma kuye because of nani niyazi ukuthi uthando lunjani nanoma umntana angakutshela ukuthi hey umuntu wenza so masemathandeni kunzima ukuthi uaccept ukuthi lo muntu lo ukwenzile lokho mara into engichazile ukuthi ukhona ukubona ukuthi lo muntu lo bekathi umuntu wakhe bekathi ubabethu akusuyi uphuma endleleni.
After the shooting, the suspect allegedly tried to flee by jumping over a neighbor's fence, but was apprehended by Pauline's boyfriend until police arrived.
Ngithole endleleni nami bengathi ngiyothola yena bengithi ngeclinic mara mangithi ngiyambona so ngamustopa ngambamba ngambuza ukuthi uyaphathi yena eTaxini ufuna ukubaleka ngimyeke so ngamshaya ngempama zithu ngamthatha ngamisa emaphoyiseni endleleni masamba ngitshela ukuthi yena uyasola bangaboni ukuthi ubulele uThemba ene uThemba umntwana lwalungile ngathi already sombulele angeke ushaya umuntu ngethi ushoto and mawuqeda uthi wena uyasola. Angithi isibhamu sesemthetho umuntu before umdubula uyamhona first.
The suspect appeared in the Themba Magistrates Court on Friday, the 9th of January, facing murder charges. On Saturday, 17th January, family and friends gathered for Themba's emotional funeral service in Tambo 2. Mourners cried uncontrollably during the service as the community came together to support grieving family and demanding that justice be served for the young man's senseless death.
Mamluli. Ishimali yansizwa leya nomngane wami lapha Ishmokoko. Lehlekela ngwana gogo nami ngahlekela. Ngikuhlungu ukuthi mfana nginayo gogo December gogo ngashela gogo imali. Ayishoko. Ngithanda ukucina. Lehlekela ngwana.
Ngabo obekhona and then kube kabuhlungu kakhulu, especially uma engane uzobuhlungu kakhulu into emayazakelile because umntwana wakhe yabona. So ayikho angeke sikhulume that much kakhulu, kubuhlungu la ekhaya uhlangahlangene umama. We need the justice for the guy. Ubaba ungathi sithole justice nje ekhaya.
Ngifila bad ngalento leyenzakala. So ne family nayo ifila bad ngalento leyenzakala. Khona manje bayakhala wazi ihlangahlangene nawe uyabona nawe mawubhekile ukuthi akumnandi la ekhaya. Umuntu nomunye uyakhala ngalento leyenzakala. Uyayibona akumnandi. Ungeke ubulala umuntu angabulawa. So ngicabanga ukuthi umuntu makabula ayenze lento la yenzile kufuze ayijele. Singeke sithathele umthetho ezandleni yabona. So ngisabuyele kulamagama la ngiyathethile last time ukuthi mangambona lo muntu langizenza sona so, but i justice la ekhaya lento ngisibiza ukuthi umthetho ngeke uvume ukuthi mangimthola ngizibulalele yena yabona. Umthetho ukhona uzobona ukuthi yena uwona wenza njani ngayo.